Today, the topic that we're going to discuss is statistical application in traffic studies and traffic forecasting. The contents that we're going to discuss today is introduction to statistical application in traffic studies, the importance of data collection in traffic studies, traffic forecasting techniques, traffic safety analysis, challenges and limitations of statistical application in traffic studies, and then conclusion, the value of statistical application in traffic studies. The first topic is Introduction to Statistical Application in Traffic Studies. Traffic studies involves the collection, analysis, and interruption of data related to traffic flow, safety, and efficiency. Statistical methods are essential for making sense of this data and drawing meaningful conclusions. One common statistical application in traffic studies is regression analysis, which can be used to identify relationship between traffic volume, speed, and other variables. This information can then be used to make predictions about future traffic patterns. So, the traffic studies are a critical aspects of transportation planning and management. These studies collect data on various aspects of traffic, including traffic volume, speed, and all. So, these statistical methods are used to analyze the collected data to gain insights into the behavior of the traffic system, identify patterns and trends, and make informed decisions about traffic management and infrastructure planning. One of the main advantages of statistical method is their ability to extract useful information from larger data sets. For example, traffic volume data collected for a over long period can be analyzed using time series analysis. So the next topic is importance of data collection in traffic studies. So data collection is a critical aspect of traffic studies because it provides the foundation for analysis and decision making. Accurate and comprehensive data collection is crucial for conducting meaningful traffic studies. This data can come from variety of sources including traffic sensors, cameras, and surveys. Once collected, this data can be analyzed using statistical techniques such as descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, and time series analysis to gain insights into traffic patterns and trends. There are several reasons why data collection is important in traffic studies. Understanding traffic patterns. So, data collection provides information on traffic volume, speeds, travel patterns, and other factors that affect traffic flow. This information is essential for identifying trends and patterns in traffic and understanding the behavior of the traffic system. And the second point is identifying problems. Data collection can help identify areas where traffic congestion is a problem, accident hotspots, and area with high pedestrian or bicycle traffic. The third point is developing effective solution. Data collection provides the foundation for developing effective solution for two traffic problems. For example, traffic engineers can use traffic volume data to determine the approximate number of lanes of a roadway. The fourth point is evaluating the effectiveness of intervention. Data collection is also essential for evaluating the effectiveness of traffic management intervention such as traffic signals, timing changes, lane closures, or any new transportation infrastructure. So the next topic is traffic forecasting techniques. Traffic forecasting is the process of predicting future traffic volume and pattern based on historical data, demographic trends, and other relevant factors. So, forecasting future traffic patterns is an important application of statistical method in transportation planning. One common technique is trend analysis, which involves examining historical data to identify patterns and extrapolating those patterns into the future. Other techniques include simulation modeling, which uses computers model to simulate different scenarios and predict their impact on traffic flow, and scenario planning, which involves developing multiple possible futures based on different assumptions and analyzing their potential outcomes. So there are several techniques used for traffic forecasting, including time series analysis. So the first point is time series analysis. Time series analysis is a statistical technique that involves analyzing historical traffic data to identify trends and seasonality. The second point is regression analysis. Regression analysis is another statistical techniques used for traffic forecasting. It involves identifying the relationship between traffic volumes and various factors such as weather, time of the day of the week, and other demographic variables. The third point is simulation models. Simulation models are used to simulate traffic flow on transportation network. These models can be used to predict traffic volumes and identify bottlenecks and congestion points. Simulation model can also be used to evaluate the effectiveness of proposed transportation infrastructure improvements. So the expert opinion can be used to supplement. The fourth point is expert opinion. Expert opinion can be used to supplement statistical method for traffic forecasting. The fifth point is machine learning. Machine learning techniques can also be used for traffic forecasting. These techniques involve training models on large datasets of historical data to identify patterns and make predictions about future traffic volumes. The next topic is traffic safety analysis. Safety analysis is the process of analyzing data on traffic accidents to identify patterns, trends, and risk factors. So these statistical methods are also used in traffic safety analysis to identify factors that contribute to accidents and develop strategies for reducing their frequency and severity. Techniques such as logistic regression and cluster analysis can be used to identify patterns and risk factors associated with different types of accidents, while Geographic Information System (GIS) can be used to map accident location and identify hotspots where interventions may be needed. So there are several steps involved in traffic safety analysis: data collection, data cleaning and preparation, descriptive analysis, inferential analysis, identification of countermeasures. In summary, traffic safety analysis involves collecting and analyzing data on traffic accident to identify patterns, risk factors, and strategies for improving safety. The next topic is challenges and limitation of statistical application in traffic studies. While statistical methods are essential for making sense of traffic data and forecasting future patterns, there are also limitations and challenges to their use. One challenge is the quality and availability of data, which can vary widely depending on the source and location. Additionally, statistical methods are only one tool in the transportation planner's toolbox and must be used in conjunction while other qualitative and quantitative methods to make informed decisions. Some of the major challenges and limitations are data quality. The first one is data quality. The accuracy and completeness of the data used in traffic studies can be challenged. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to incorrect analysis and conclusion. Therefore, it is important to ensure that data collection methods are also reliable and that the data is thoroughly cleaned and validated before analysis. The second point is data availability. Traffic studies often require large amount of data from various sources such as traffic volume, road network, and weather data. The third point is limited scope. Statistical models and analysis are based on historical data and therefore may not be able to account for sudden change in traffic patterns or the impact of unforeseen events such as natural disasters or major road closure. The fourth point is assumption and simplification. Statistical models often rely on certain assumption and simplification, which may not fully reflect the complexity of the traffic system. The fifth point is interpretation. This interpretation of statistical result requires expertise and careful consideration. Statistical analysis may reveal correlations or relationships that do not necessarily imply causations. Therefore, it is important to carefully evaluate the results and avoid making conclusions they are not supported by the data. Conclusion: the value for the statistical application in traffic studies. Despite the challenges and limitations, statistical methods are essential for understanding and improving traffic flow, safety, and efficiency. By collecting and analyzing data using statistical techniques, transportation planners can make informed decisions and benefit both drivers and communities. As technology continues to advance and new data source becomes available, the role of statistical methods in traffic studies will only continue to grow in importance. By analyzing data on traffic volumes, patterns, and accidents, transportation and planners and policymakers can develop strategies to improve safety, reduce congestion, and enhance the efficiency of transportation systems. Despite the benefits of statistical analysis in traffic studies, there are also several challenges and limitations to consider. Overall, statistical application in traffic studies is an important tool for transportation planners and policymakers in improving safety, reducing congestion, and enhancing the efficiency of transportation system. Thanks. Have a nice day.